Pace car is off. Be ready.
GT4 Daytona, starting from the pits. I think it's the safest place to be.
Green.
I'm in a new car for me, which is the Cayman. You can see the everyone's coming past. Pace cars come in. I'm not very fast, so I think I'm better off at the back. Let's go and see how we get on. Okay, pace car's moving out of the way, which is just as well. I don't know how far back we're going to be. It looks like quite a way, but I think there'll be a fair few incidents on this first lap. Although, looking at how far back I am, maybe this wasn't a good idea. But anyway, I'm stuck with it now. Didn't know it was going to be dark for this race, but obviously I should have paid attention to that. I've been practicing with my trail braking on this course. Does seem to help, particularly in that corner. But that's anyway, it's going. Let's get going. No crashes yet, so maybe I should have gone with the pack. I wasn't right at the back, but I wasn't far enough up to feel it was worth starting on the grid, because I think I'd have been in a pack of accidents, but as it turns out, I wouldn't have been. Oh well, live and learn.
Stop on the right.
Somebody stopped on the right. What's going on here then? Yeah, there's one off. Whether we'll catch them or not, it's a Porsche by the looks of it. So we're a fair way off the back, aren't we? Maybe this wasn't a good idea. I mean, I was a good second and a half off the pole, so I don't have a lot of pace. We might catch a little bit as cars are having to go a bit slower because they're in traffic, but we'll see. It's a difficult corner to get right, particularly with cold tyres. Anyway, yeah, someone else has dropped off a little bit from the back. It's a big pack, 30 cars, so I'm hoping to get midway up, but I was expecting to pick up a few easy places with crashes, but that hasn't happened, has it? He's flashing his lights. I'll flash my lights. Shall I just check? I don't know why he's doing that, but anyway. He's doing a lot of flashing his lights, isn't it? Unless he's got some damage, maybe. Okay, with cold tyres, it's worth braking early for this corner. We're closing up on him, aren't we? A little bit. 2.2 seconds, so we can get into slipstream range. That'll help us. Yellow flag ahead. Is that someone else off, is it? So we're going a bit quicker anyway. I don't know where I'm losing all my time, but I'm definitely slow. It'd be useful to follow someone to sort of see where the time is going. Don't know if we're going to have the momentum on this guy or not. Another Porsche. He's flashing his lights a lot, this guy, isn't he? I don't know why he's doing that. This guy's got a bollard under his car, so that can't be helping him. I'm sure that'll come out at some point. Okay, we'll get a slipstream here, I hope. This looks like the Tron car, doesn't it, with the paint scheme? That's good. We'll get a nice slipstream anyway. Nice draft. Oh, it's a Mercedes, not a Porsche.
Left side. Stay on the right.
Okay, we're past it then.
Here.
I wonder if that bollard is slowing him down.
55.667.
Okay, pretty slow, aren't we? Second off the leader. Okay, we're catching a few stragglers now, by the looks of it. People that have had problems, I guess.
10 minutes to go.
Tyres are getting a bit better. It's only a short race, so we don't have long to make up places. Nice to get a little bit of a slipstream if we can from these two. Well, I thought there'd be a lot more accidents than there have been. I'm really surprised. I mean, these cars, because they're not very powerful, they're relatively easy to drive, so maybe that's helping people. I really did think there'd be more incidents than there have been. With the cold temperatures, it's struggling to grip a little bit. Well, these two are battling, which might help me. Why is he not flashing his lights then? Well, he'd be flashing his lights, but he's not. It's got no power in top gear, is it, really?
55.77.
Fucking idiot.
Oh, sounds like somebody's had a problem.
Car stop on the left.
Another straggler? Or was that somebody giving up? Definitely stretching out a bit at the back of the pack, isn't it? Oh, I think I could have started on the grid, couldn't I? Next time. Bit of a slide that. He's flashing his lights again, that guy. Wonder why. Is it just to put people off, do you think? He's not really close enough, is he, to that guy ahead? It's a bit odd. Very odd. It'd be lovely if I could avoid this chicane and just go back around the bank in. I'd soon catch up the leader, wouldn't I? 2.4 behind. Not really making an impression.
The car in P4 just set the fastest lap. 53.446. You're losing on the car in front.
Yeah.
It's 2.4 seconds. 56.154.
It's a bit quicker. .3, closing in a little bit. Oh, somebody with a sarcastic thank you. That usually means a problem, doesn't it?
Wow, what a clean diamond car. Yeah, but
Somebody not happy.
you fucking good. Yeah, thanks back, bro. Look this is the way.
I think we must be slow through that section.
Yeah, come on, we're good.
Well,
5 minutes to
we're
go.
not really getting anywhere.
Pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 2.3 seconds. 55.752. You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 1.8 seconds.
Okay. You're getting the slipstream with this guy in front. That would make a big difference. Whether he made a mistake there or I'm just going quicker, I'm not sure. We definitely closed in, didn't we? We might be going quicker. McLaren ahead of us then. Not quite close enough, I don't think. Maybe. Maybe. I can get a good run in this next section. And who knows? And I did get a good run. So this should be close enough
Leader
then.
is running 54.843. Car 3 is up the front.
Yeah, so we're closing in a bit. Not quite quick enough, but we're closing in.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 4.9 seconds. Car right 54.913.
Well, he tried to turn in. I was there, so
Still there.
can't just turn into me. I think that was all right. We'll have a look on the replay, but I think that was all right. I was going up his inside and he just turned into me. We'll have a look. Lost us a bit of time, unfortunately. Okay, so a bit of a gap. Need some more problems for people, don't we? He's quite close to me, isn't he? Is he going to get a nice big slipstream? I think he probably will. Will he be close enough at the end? Let's see. He might be. Although he's not really closing in, is he? So one more lap to go. I think I'll be okay.
On the car in front. The gap is 4.2 seconds. 56.385.
I've not lost him, have I? He's closing in a bit, isn't he? Trying too hard now. 0.8 behind, so he's going to get a slipstream. He could be on me, couldn't he? I could lose it on the line. The way this is going. We need a good run through this next section. If I can. Is that good enough? All I can do is floor it. 0.8 behind, he's closing, isn't he? Well, he's not closing at all. Actually, so maybe set of the McLaren is not lending itself to flat out speed. But anyway, well, that was a bit of a non-event, wasn't it? All my plans to
Stop on the left.
avoid incidents. Well, I did avoid incidents pretty much.
Better schedule.
But yeah, didn't really get the result I was looking for. Anyway, let's have a look at that incident. Okay, here we go then. So I'd been catching all the way along the straight and the banking, and I was closing up pretty quick, wasn't I, really? So by the time I got to him, I was just able to really sail by. He went to the outside to defend or to take the line, and I just braked, and he just turned in. I mean, you can't turn in when somebody's there. Here's the rear chase then. So he's gone to the outside. I've come to the inside. And yeah, he just turns in and I'm already there. So yeah, I think that was my corner. Anyway, let's have a look at the results. So here's the results then. So yeah, that was a low split. 5th out of 10. Lost to its SATA rating, a load of I rating. I think my tactic did not work. I should have started on the grid. I was too far back by the time I got going. I only got past 3 people. Look. So yeah, that did not work at all. Next time I shall try something different. So 54.9, 54.9, 54.5, 54 flat. So 54s and the leader. And what was the best lap? Of 53.4. So 2.5 away. Yeah, I could have gone quicker, I think, if I'd been in quick traffic. It'll drag me around, but yeah, that tactic did not work. Anyway, I shall try it again. And if you want to see that, then do stick around and hit that like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.